Howdy folks, today I'm going to review the new Hoover Smartwash. That's right, I'm like the natural Danny Tanner of Full House here in real life. I keep my carpets pretty clean. At least once a month I wash them. They're not too dirty, but it's that time. Got a lot of allergies and stuff that get in the air here, mountain cedar and oak in southern Texas. So I'm going to go ahead and put this bad boy to use because my other one finally died. Well, it wasn't a Hoover, but we'll go from here. So right now it's spraying the water. See it's washing, and as you pull back it automatically dries. It ain't happening, girl. It's very generous on the tank. It goes a long way. The cleanup is a breeze. Removal, real simple. Just pop it right out from here. Slide that out, pop this out, just this way, you clean it, do what you gotta do, put it back together, and you're up and running. You know, when you do your first sweeps, as just your regular mode, it washes and dries, it really does suck up a lot at that point in time. I did dry mode and not too much even came up. So wow, I am super impressed. This thing is easy to maneuver. It has a lot of clearance, and it's so, oh wow, I'm highly recommend this. I give this 100 out of 100 stars if I could. Excellent product, Hoover. Now the question is, we'll see how long it lasts. This is brand new right now, so we'll see how long it lasts. I'll put it to the test, that's for sure. The slower you go, obviously the more water is going to shoot out, and the slower you pull back, the more it's going to suck. But I mean, I went at a pretty decent speed, and wow, I am just absolutely impressed. I've always had a Bissell. I don't think I'll be going back. We'll just see how the longevity of this works. All right, hopefully you guys like this review. If you got any questions or concerns, feel free to write down in the video review, and happy shopping.